let's assume that is your penis, and on the end of it you've got Balanitis, which is an inflammation, and you've got that inflammation because it's warm, it's moist, and fungus love breeding where it's warm and moist, and then they start to eat your foreskin and eat the skin on the end of your penis. So the simple thing to do is to kill the fungus without damaging your penis or your immune system, and that's what this remedy does. So you just put a couple of drops on. Now it's a very natural organic remedy. It kills the fungus on contact. Your Balanitis will be gone. Well, the rash and the swollenness will go down in a day. Your Balanitis will be gone in about 3 days. But immediately you apply this, your penis feels better, the itching stops, the rash stops, you'll feel better. So click the link below the video. Let's get it sorted.